In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer and earn on Alibaba. We'll walk through creating your account, joining the official referral or affiliate program, grabbing your unique link, sharing it the right way, tracking results, and finally withdrawing the money you earn. First, head to the Alibaba website. On the homepage, select Join Free or Sign Up. You can register with an email address, a mobile number, or a connected Google account. Follow the prompts to verify your account, look for a confirmation email or text, and complete that step before moving on. Use accurate details so there's no issue later when you set up payouts. Next, join the Alibaba affiliate or partner program. Navigate to the affiliate or partner page and choose Join Now or Apply. You'll be asked for basic information like your name, where you plan to share links, this could be a website or social media profile, and contact information. Submit the application and wait for approval. Approval times can vary, and having a real place to post links usually helps your application. Once approved, log into your affiliate dashboard, browse the available products or store pages you want to promote, and generate your unique referral link. Copy that link and keep it handy. Choosing items that match your audience's interests typically leads to higher conversions. Now it's time to share. Post your link on social media, include it in YouTube descriptions, add it to your blog or website, or share it via Messenger and email. You can also participate in relevant online communities. Always provide context about what the link points to and avoid spammy behavior. Be transparent that it's an affiliate link when required. Clear disclosure builds trust and can improve long-term results. When someone signs up or makes a purchase through your link, you may earn a commission. Keep an eye on your performance by returning to the affiliate dashboard. Review clicks, sales, and commissions, and monitor payout reports. If certain posts or products perform better, lean into those and refine the ones that underperform. Finally, withdraw your earnings. Go to the payment or earnings section, add your preferred payout method, such as a bank account or PayPal, and request a withdrawal once you reach the minimum payout threshold. Make sure your payout details are correct to avoid delays. That's it. Follow these steps, share responsibly, and you'll be set up to refer and earn on Alibaba.